All right, hi you guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you basically how to get started with Tula. Basically, what you do is you click the link in my description, and then you go to this website right here. If my computer moves slow, please just understand it has a lot of files in here. I need to delete some. That's probably why it's moving slow. And this box at the bottom, I don't know why that's on here. I'm going to have to figure out how to delete that. But anyways, what you do is you click the link in my description. You come on over here. You'll see, some of the stuff about Tula. Basically, you get paid for sharing your opinions on, like companies and stuff like that, like some of their products and services. You see Amazon, CBS, Sony, Kellogg's, L'Oreal, Expedia, FiOut, and Coca-Cola. Those are some of the companies that they work with. And like I said, it's a very good company. It's a good way to make money. It doesn't cost anything to get started. And if you want to get started, like I said, just click the description and go to the website. And what you need to do basically when you come here is click sign up. Click sign up and it will load, and we'll go to this page right here. And you just basically, it's going to start at step 1, and you go from step 1 through 9, and you enter your information, and basically you'll go to your email and confirm your email. Then they'll start sending you surveys. That's all you really got to do to get started. Like I said, it's 100% free. It doesn't cost any money. It's a link in the description. Click that link, go there and sign up, and just take advantage of this because, like I said, for people out there who don't have any money and they're wondering how can they start making money, especially when it comes to doing surveys and stuff, this is one of the websites I recommend for people on a budget who don't have anything and they want to get started making money for free. And yeah, just go to your email after you sign up, complete this process from your email, and just log in. They'll send you some surveys and start making money. It's really that simple. That's all you have to do.